Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to find out what's inside of a talk box. Now, I already know what it is, but there's a lot of people out there who don't know what a talk box is and don't really know how it works. And this is another good way to explain what it is and how it works, what's inside of the talk box that makes it work the way it does. Now, if you're impatient, go ahead and skip forward in the video. Then you can see what's inside of one, you can be happy, and then you can like and subscribe. Just kidding. All right, so the reason I'm doing this is because I had to take a talk box apart a while ago because I thought it was broken. Turns out it was the buffer speed in my DAW, but I thought to myself, this would be a great idea for a video. I can show people what's inside of one. Let me switch the camera over and we can get started on that. All right, so here's the talk box. I grabbed myself a wrench and a hex key, Allen key. Let's start taking this apart. So the first thing we're gonna do is get our hex key and take these 4 bolts out. All right, now that we have these 4 bolts off, we can go ahead and flip this over, and we're going to take these 2 nuts off the back here. All right, now that we got the nuts off of the input and output jacks, we can go ahead and start taking these knobs off because there's going to be nuts under these knobs as well. All right, now that we got these off of the knobs, we can go ahead and just pull the face right off. So here it is. This is what's inside of a talk box. Now let me zoom in. All right, here we go. All right, so here's what we got here. All right, so obviously right here we have our knobs. Right under the knobs is actually the circuit board. There's the circuit board, and the biggest part, what makes everything possible, is this speaker right here. So I know many of you may already know how it works, but for those of you that don't know how it works, sound travels from a synthesizer or a sound source like a guitar. It travels into this talk box, and the talk box captures that sound and emits it through this speaker. And then the sound travels up the tube and into your mouth, and that's how you're able to sing with it. So yeah, there you go, guys. This is what's inside of a talk box. So if you guys have never seen what's inside of one, there you go. There's also another circuit board here. And to be honest with you, this is a lot more complicated than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be a lot more simpler, but there's actually a lot of technology that goes into one of these. I obviously don't know every single little thing that goes into this, and I'm not going to try to pretend that I do. But anyways, here's the inside of a talk box. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. Until next time, peace out.
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one